This short video is an example of what gravity control can do for information analysis tasks like press clipping, for instance. You will see a real-time demonstration of our concept model and its current capabilities. The data we're working with is actual RSS feeds from Google News in the field of information technology. We start by loading a data feed onto the work plane. In this case, this is the Google News RSS for Android Patent. I'm going to press this button here in order to have all the information objects arranged in a nice way so we can easily pick up an article of our choice. I choose an article containing the term research in motion, and then I create a gravity system which will attract all the entries containing the search term. A second gravity system will attract the articles about Microsoft. And for the third, we choose Apple as the sorting criterion. When we activate the sorting, all relevant articles start moving towards the respective gravity systems. As you can see, some move faster than others. These are the articles that contain more occurrences of the search term, while the ones containing fewer move slower. When they reach the grouping point, they are arranged in order of relevance. The objects that meet more than one of the criteria are grouped separately in the equilibrium points between gravity systems, but their connections to user preset grouping points are clearly shown. This group here, for example, contains both Microsoft and Apple as search terms. In gravity control, you can add or refine criteria at any time, even while objects are still moving after the previous sorting. So we now add a gravity system for lawsuit and sort again. To make work more comfortable, we can move gravity systems around and rearrange them, very much like we would if they were palpable objects. We can also view details about each object by simply hovering the cursor over the icon. If we did not find what we were looking for, we may now decide to check all gravity feeds for items relevant to our criteria. We press this button down here for dynamic load, and all feeds that contain relevant items are displayed. We choose a feed, and the relevant objects from it are automatically added to the respective gravity systems. We can repeat that with as many feeds as we like. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and add the Samsung Patent feed as well. Sorted objects and whole gravity systems can be moved to the gravity trap and managed in bulk. I'm going to pick up this one here, for example, and place it in the gravity trap. Available bulk operations will depend on the types of objects in the group, but as here we have web pages, we decide to translate them to Arabic to have a closer look at the articles. The command automatically opens all links in new browser tabs, translated. If we are interested to see articles issued before and after a certain date, we find one from that date let's say the 30th of September. We activate the so-called event horizon from this button over here. We drop the article onto it. The event horizon divides the work plane in two and sorts object as older or newer than the one we chose. Now we can create the same or different gravity system below and above the horizon and analyze data relation before and after an event. For instance, I'm going to select HCC from this article here, and on the other side I will select patent as a search criteria. Now we do the sorting. The event horizon criterion can be changed anytime by just dropping another object onto it, and sorting both above and below it will be updated immediately. Well, thank you for watching this demonstration. For the latest updates on gravity control, please visit our website regularly.